Here's the crocodile meat.
Chalo, now we go to that Max Mall.
Yeah. Max, no, Mike.
Mike, sorry, Mike
I know
Mall.
you messed it up. Recorded on camera.
Oh, look at this. Oh, let's take this. So let me try this.
Take in
See this. Good morning, buggers, and welcome to another beautiful day in Pattaya. So, yeah, yesterday na, I can't tell you how tired we got, but still we did shopping in the mall, this Terminal 21 till 4:30, and then by the time we got back, we were exhausted. We took a nice snooze for about 2 hours or so. 2 घंटे सोए, फिर उठे, तैयार हुए और फिर निकल गए थे हम वॉकिंग स्ट्रीट पे. वॉकिंग स्ट्रीट गए, थोड़े घूमे, चिल किया. बस बहुत यार मेरे को ना फुकेत का वॉकिंग स्ट्रीट और पसंद है. इधर मेरे को आई थिंक द क्राउड इज़ नॉट दैट ग्रेट, लेस फॉरेनर्स, मोर ऑफ गंद. तो क्या बताएं. एनीवेज, so we didn't enjoy them much. Then we took a round and we sat at a bar where they were playing live music, and that's why I didn't do recording much, क्योंकि कुछ था नहीं ज़्यादा दिखाने को. तो आज अपन चल रहे हैं दूसरे मॉल में, क्योंकि डे टाइम में ना मॉल ही सही रहता है, शाम को मार्केट एरिया में जाते हैं. तो मॉल जाएंगे. आई थिंक इट्स कॉल्ड द मैक्स मॉल और समथिंग लाइक दैट. तो वहाँ जाएंगे. वहाँ से अभी पहले तो टाइम हो रहा है कितने, 1 बज रहा है. अभी 1 बजे निकल रहे हैं हम और ब्रेकफास्ट खाएंगे या ब्रंच खाएंगे. एंड क्योंकि यार बहुत थके हुए थे, आराम से उठे थे 11:30 बजे, कॉफ़ी पिया, रिलैक्स किया. तो 1 बजे निकल रहे हैं हम और बस नाउ वी आर हेडिंग फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट और ब्रंच, एंड देन I'll show you what we are eating, and then I will show you where we are eventually heading to. Okay, so see you there. Cheers. Boom. Was from here, and we come here to this Indian restaurant. Here we have come to have parathas. They want to have parathas, so I'll show you the parathas. We've ordered one onion paratha and one what do you call it, aloo paratha at 1:30. It's hot here, you know. See, this is the inner street of the main road, the opposite the beach, na, the road that goes. This is the other road. We are staying inside, one lane inside. Nice it is. Anyways, I'll show you the parathas once it comes. ये कौन सा पराठा है? और ये प्याज पराठा. अच्छा, ये
प्याज सुनी.
प्याज पराठा. And here's the aloo one.
This is the aloo one.
Yeah.
You have to cut it. That's why this
And who's having paratha?
No.
Yes.
I am not having.
Yeah, aloo paratha.
I do not have.
हैं? ये क्या हो गया? ये क्या सुन रहा हूँ मैं?
335 baht. Water bottle was 15 baht. Aloo paratha 200 baht. For 2, $100 a paratha. Whether you take aloo paratha, onion paratha, and no tax. This is on price. That's it.
Bhai, so we have reached here at the Central Pattaya Mall, and we came from the back area of this. So we have finally. These are the foods. Very decent price. They're grilling it here. No. We'll try these balls. Pork, sausage. This roti also is turned very famous here in Thailand. Everybody is eating this. See the prices. A fried rice, tom yum. This morning glory is my favorite. Oh, packed up round. That will be nice. See? So nice. Yaar, this music is playing na. I hope iska yaar very copyright na hai. All the whole thing will get spoiled. Oh yes, see, they're grilling the fish. These are squids. Squids and octopus. They're preparing everything for the evening right now. This is for booze. And here's the crocodile meat. This is 200 for small, medium 300 and large for 400. See, this is how it looks when it's done. And this is the face. See the size of the face. Ooh, you see this in reality, na? Oh shit. Ooh. They'll be doing the grilling in the evening. Yeah, they're getting ready. This is the mango rice. Mango sticky rice. Chalo. Anyways, let's take a ball. What I had to take. I'll take the ball and then we'll head inside. So I'm going in for this Thai sausage bowl. And this, out of these two, I think I'll go in for this. That's it. Because I just had breakfast from 7-Eleven. But in Thailand, this is there, na? You keep walking and eating, walking, eating, walking, eating. You keep doing this only. So he's going to prepare it on the griller. Till that time, I said. Let me just tell you. So there are these cabs here. See these blue ones right there? These ones. So on this full street, you keep going like straight. You'll keep going. It will be 10 baht, 10 baht. Then when you take a round, it starts turning 20 baht on the beach side. And if you go from here to there. But now these people, I came from the night street walk. Like our hotel is somewhere there. This was new to me, so they took 20 baht from me. Anyways, let's see the grilling is going on. They put it on the griller. Damn nice, it's very tasty, you know. Chalo, I'll show you this in a while, once it's done. Started?
Yeah.
So this is the pork ball, pork sausage. Very nice.
Wait.
This is the pork one. This sweet is.
He also wants. Yeah. Bite it. Feeding him, my hands get messed up. Pork is eating pork. Chalo, now we go to that Max Mall.
Yeah. Max, no, Mike.
Mike, sorry, Mike
I know
Mall.
you messed it up. Recorded on camera. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Why are you recording down?
Emotional, damn it!
Doesn't know only.
Now see how you were making me a fool that I got it wrong.
If you were with me, na, I would see it and tell you this is the mall.
But even now you are not ready to accept it.
Acha, he wants more. I got that name wrong.
Oh,
I'm coming after 5 years, yeah, naturally. And taste this ball. Fancy ball. How are you seeing? You're recording me.
खत्म बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय गया
Yeah, okay.
Record yourself while eating na, the pork ball. See, again recording me. There's no how to hold the phone.
I don't like this one.
Take one more bite, come on.
He wants more.
Wait, this you can't eat.
No, I like the one.
Give him this. Yeah.
Yummy?
Look at this plant, yeah.
Oh, and he found the ball. Oi, it is not for you to play with. Jaden, come. Come fast, Daisy. Go, 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 go. Sit down here with your friend. Come on, hug your friend. Come on. Jaden, smile.
Nothing.
Oh, he's scared.
That's
Don't
it.
be scared.
This is also one Halloween area. Okay, we picked up some Halloween earrings from there. These are some Halloween costumes. And these lights we are taking from here for our balcony. Nice these are. So this we are taking. And I'll just show you what all is there. Very nice. Halloween is nearby, na? End of this month. So they are having all Halloween balloon shops. See? Nice stuff this is. See, these are the Halloween hairbands. Different hairbands you have here. Nice, huh? And they're not expensive also, they're very reasonable. Not expensive, 20, 30, 40 like these only. See, how much is this for? How much? 20. See, 20 baht each. So they are not so expensive here. Very nice. Even these balloons, 20 baht. Oh, look at this. Oh, let's take this. So we picked up some goodies from here, and there was this what do you call it? One curtain I picked up, Halloween curtain. Very nice it was. It was for $3.99, and I know you won't get it there in Delhi. So we picked it up from here, and some lights we have picked up. So very good. See here, this one, she's packing it up. A glimpse of it. The rest you can't see. Anyways, I'll just keep showing you whatever nice is here. Everybody's in the Halloween mood here. So they're selling Halloween stuff. These are some setup here also. For Halloween, Jaden was playing there, so I couldn't record it. My hands were full. Anyways, now I'll show you whatever else we can show. So see you in a while. Boom. See this we got for free. They take the passport and you can use it for 4 hours. For 4 hours you can use it, and free. They've taken my passport and phone number. See here is coming. Nice, no?
Beep, 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 beep.
4 hours is free.
You have to pay anything?
No, nothing. They just taken my passport.
Okay.
And you can't take it out. In the mall everywhere. You can't take it out anywhere.
Very nice flag. Very nice.
And Halloween theme.
Yeah. Come on, we'll go there. Come on, come on, come on. She knows how to maneuver it. Yeah?
वाह क्या सीन है वाह क्या सीन है
Very good way of relaxing. Very nice, yeah. Very nice. You go to the shopping. I'll see you.
Going to sleep? Jaden's going to sleep? Coming. Coming, you go to sleep. Close your eyes. You see? Screaming.
1 hour later.
So it's about 7 o'clock here and I'm having my lunch now. So I've taken this spicy seafood with minced pork salad. One is this. This is the food court here. It's quite empty here because people don't come here to eat much. So we've taken one that, and this is also. Then we have taken one this stir fried this, and where is that? One this I've taken, mince, and one these fish and chips. Rest here also I came, but hers was over. She didn't have, and these are the smoothie shakes. So very small food court. We'll try this also here. Let's see what we can get. How the taste is. Let's see how the taste is. I'm very hungry. I'm very, very hungry. Let's see how the food is. This is the salad. The seafood salad. So let me try this. See this. It's crunchy. I told her to make it less spicy. She's not put any spicy. Squid. Nice. Very nice. The rest is coming. I'll show you that. This I'll have with this pork basil. In the packet?
Which we bought from the
7-Eleven? Oh, it's here. I'll take it out. I'll take it out. This is the fish and chips. This also is famous Bangkok's red Fanta. We all have. Mom is making chicken fried rice. Good to make everything fresh. So let's roll up this up. Very tasty. Chalo. I'll just finish my food and get back to you all then. Oh, very hungry.
Where did you leave my purse? My purse. Oh, you're here. I love you.
What you want? Here are the cars.
No, I want. Very oily. Very give it a See, he's giving this to
it to this girl, but then give it to that boy. Oh, he doesn't want her to go. He was pushing that boy away. Ah, nice. He's telling her to keep it. See, Andrew. Hey, giving the car to this girl.
No, this size won't be.
Say bye.
One size smaller.
Jaden gave flying kiss. What happened? You don't want her to go? Ah, you're crying for her. What's wrong with her?
He gave her the car on
Hey, what happened? He wants that girl back.
So this is the end of the day and it is 12:10. We have come in for a foot massage. See, we just called them and there you can see it's 12:10. This is the area, this is the end, and this is Jaden and me. So we've done a whole lot of shopping and like good enough, not whole lot also, good enough.
Let me tell you, 95% is his shopping and 5% is you can add Jaden in my shopping. So I'm not in a good mood because I've done like nothing.
Away, but it is not like I've done whole lot also, like little bit only, but yes, I got few clothes. Otherwise I never pick up. If I don't see something nice, I don't pick up. So she's going to do her shopping in Bangkok and I've done little here. So as you can see, he's taking his sleep and we're going to head
It's
home.
not a power nap he's taking. I hope he's aware that this is his night sleep. He has to sleep throughout. Not wake up and think, oh, I've had my nap.
I've got my dinner packed and bus now I'll eat it in the hotel after this. So by the time I reach, it's going to be 1:10, 1:15 and then we'll call it a day. And yeah, so tomorrow I'm heading to Bangkok and I'll meet you in the morning tomorrow, okay? So good night. I hope you liked today's vlog. Whatever I could vlog, I vlogged. And Bangkok is going to be a lot more rushy, hussy, bustly. So see you soon there. Cheers. Boom.